There's a king parrot anyway. There was a king parrot. Look who's down there. Some rosellas. Always colour around if you're looking for it. I wonder what they're eating. They could be eating Pistacia, Chinese Pistacia, Pistacia chinensis seeds. Aren't they colourful? On this late autumn, early winter afternoon. So bright. So colourful and bright. Let's see, get closer together. Yeah. That's better. Aren't they colourful and lovely? I've missed filming rosellas actually. I think I'm in love with those rosellas. This camera screw. That's a bit better. There are king parrots behind me. I was actually trying to film king parrots. So colourful. Rainbow birds, aren't they? You're quite colourful too, little one, aren't you, little one? You are. I think they're eating Pistacia chinensis seeds. That's what I think they're eating. I'm not absolutely sure. Yes, that's what they're eating. Those red berries are tiny pistachio nuts from China. They must be nutritious enough. That's at full magnification. So colourful. I think there are more in the trees somewhere. It's quite cold today, especially in the shade. Oh, a bird just flew in front of me. Got to plant more crab apples around the house. Oh, there's another one. Let's see. So there are quite a few of them. Where are you? I can't see it now. But there is another. Yes, the more trees you plant that make parrots happy, the more parrots you have. Crab apples make parrots happy. There it is, I can see it now. Where's your friend? Your little friend. I suppose you'll disappear again. You are there somewhere. There you are. You look like a piece of grass from behind. Notice how from behind they look like leaves. I think that's done on purpose. Now say hello to your friends. Come on. Say hello to your friends. Your siblings, relatives, family, whatever. Your daughters, your sons. Hello, parrots. And that's it, one little parrot family. They're going out of camera range. At least there are no cats around. Well, they're just browsing on the ground, aren't they? So colourful. So beautiful. Rather nervous though, they don't like me getting too close. So look, everyone's around this afternoon. There's about 6 king parrots there. About 6 of them. Beautiful king parrots. So many of them. It's a very parroty afternoon, but it's very cold. It's cold in the shade. My fingers are cold. Look at them all. Aren't they lovely? The Rosellas have gone a few seconds ago, but lots of king parrots, a whole flock of them. Lovely food to make them happy, to keep them happy and healthy. We've got to grow more of their favourite trees. Hello, beautiful little birds. The people at the local shop think I buy apples for myself, but they're all bought for the birds, most of them. So many green parrots. So many lovely parrots. Oh, they're all spooked now. They've all gone. Well, mostly.